How to add extensions in Mihon app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Mihon app on your device. Here, click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Browse. Here, click on Extension Repos. Now, click on Add at the bottom right. Now you will need a URL of extension. To do that, open Chrome and search Mihon extension, and then click on Mihon extension that you want to add. Here, simply scroll down and you will find you can add our repos by visiting the website. You can simply go to the website, or you can copy paste the URL. You can click on it, copy the link, and go to the app and paste it. Or if you already have an app, you can go to KOC website, which will directly lead you to your Mihon app. Here, you can press on Add, and the extension will be added. This is how to add extension in Mihon app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.